Article 24 Prohibition of child labor. Prohibition of child labor. Article 24 says about the prohibition of child labor. Below the age of 14 years will not be employed to work in any kind of places, any kind of factories, mines, or explosives, any kind of hazardous occupations. Prohibition established in 1986. 1986 Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. Below the age of 14 years will not be allowed to do the work at any kind of places. Steps are taken. There are 83 occupations where there is hazardous occupations there are. In 83 occupations, children are not allowed to do employment. Like 1987, some policies came. National Policy on Child Labor. National Policy on Child Labor came in 1987. It is implemented in 1988. Indian government take some steps to stop the employment of the children. Labor promoted families are uplifted. That upliftment is taken into the steps by the Indian government. On the basis of that, Ministry of Labor and Employment I established there. Ministry of Labor and Employment takes the steps to stop the employment, and upliftment of the welfare is also seen by the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Development programs and projects published by the Ministry of Child Labor Development. Ministry of Labor and Employment took steps, high concentration on the families. 2016, there is one amendment, Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. Regulation Amendment Act came. Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act came in 2016. Government regulates the child labor. Below the age of 14 years treated as children. Above the age of 18 years treated as adolescents. Below the 18 years, people are not allowed to do any kind of work in any kind of hazardous places where there are mines, explosives, some hazardous places, hazardous occupations. Section 3, Class 5, allowed child labor in some occupations. Such kind of occupations are family and family entertainment programs, artists, family and family entertainment programs as artists. Child labor is allowed in those places to support their families, to develop economic progress. Conditions also. After the school hours, the child labor is allowed in family entertainment programs. as a artist. Vacations and after school hours only child labor is allowed in family entertainment programs. Artist trapped intergenerational debt bondage. We saw some reality programs, some depressions and anxieties among the children. In 2017, government took complete steps to development of the children. International Labour Organization ILO conventions about the age. Convention 138. Convention 138 related to the age of the children. Convention 182. 138 convention related to age. 182 convention related to the worst forms. Worst forms, where there are worst forms, there is children should not be allowed. Below the age of 17 years would not be allowed in any kind of employment.